Hi everyone, welcome to NefisTV. Here comes homemade hummus recipe that's quick and easy to make, smooth and creamy, and tastes so flavorful. To start with, remove any remaining chickpea skins. It might take a while, but it's worth it. You can use canned or home-cooked chickpeas for this recipe. In the bowl of a food processor, combine cooked chickpeas, half a cup of tahini, juice of 1 lemon, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 medium cloves of garlic, and process until well blended. If it seems too thick, with the food processor turned on, you can slowly add 2 or 3 tablespoons of water until you reach the perfect consistency. And that's all. You can garnish with your desired toppings and serve with a drizzle of olive oil and dash of paprika. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thanks for watching!